Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day. Nelson is waiting for the birds. Or mice. What you doing, Nelson? Is it finally warm enough to be out and about? Hi. Oh, you're warm. Oh, gross. You're gonna get all sawdusty. Just got done taking the trash out. It's trash day. This next one's not like that.
I don't.
They all work together.
He might be able to look at that.
Yeah, I think I'll come over here again.
Got enough with anything? Yeah. Give them 200, they aren't Latin. Yeah, I like these covers.
Yeah, I didn't show anything.
I think they keep more air out than the door would.
It's really warm down there. We covered over these holes with rubber sheeting. It's pretty thick too.
This one seems better. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Keep going with it now.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
There. Plus, I want to show everybody the tree that we have to pick up.
Nice little limb.
Yeah, it's like half a tree.
I'll take 2 at a time.
Oh, you're taking two? Well, already then.
4-inch bucket. So how much? Those are 48. I got 4 inches to play with.
You
so
got, yeah.
you have to catch one side like that, and then.
Wow, that looks pretty good right there. Pretty good?
And one is not in there very good. I just come up to a tree and give the one that's not in very good a little bit of shove. So it comes in better.
So
What?
you're the one who knocked the tree. No, I'm just kidding.
Then you gotta make sure it's nothing coming.
That's the hard part on this road.
There we go. 2 rails in one. That's probably 3,000 pounds. Oh, I bet it is. I bet it's 3,000.
You can feel it on the back end a little bit, but not much. This tractor will lift like no small tractor I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's a nice tractor. We had an old David Brown that would lift like this.
Really?
Yeah. Old David Brown with a motor on it. It would lift like this.
You had a Heston before this, right?
Yeah, that didn't have the lifting power this one does. But that was really good tractor, the little Heston, the Fiat. They were Fiats.
Was that air cooled?
Nope, that
No.
had a radiator.
Huh.
They were made in Italy, I believe. They might have been made in Heston, Kansas, but they were, you know, a Fiat engine. Geez, that was a good engine. Wicked good on fuel. I think it's actually better on fuel than this.
Really?
Yeah,
This is pretty good on fuel.
it's pretty good, yeah. I think the Heston was better. But it was a smaller engine though too. It was 65 horse instead of 95.
That, it's got, what has it got now? 4,300 hours?
This?
Yeah. 4,300 and something. I can't read it.
That second drop right there, but I don't think it's that great a second drop. Weird stuff. There.
Now we have a bajillion bales in the yard. Nope. We also already have one on the unroller for tonight. Proactive, huh? It's really loud. Okay guys, so I am home, and since it's such a nice day, I decided it would be a good time for me to try to take a look at my blower motor. You guys are always saying, fix your blower motor. It's really loud. It's annoying. I know it's annoying. It's been like that for a year and a half. So it's obviously not on its way out because it works fine. Like the heater works fine. The blower always works. It's just really, really loud. So I don't know if there's something stuck in it or if like one of the blades fell off or the fins or whatever you call them fell off in it. I don't know, but I'm going to take a look at it. So hopefully this isn't too big of a job. I watched a YouTube video. That's how I'm gonna do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. So first of all, ignore how dirty my truck is. There's more sawdust in my truck than there is in the barn. I took my floor mat out. I'm probably gonna have to take my other floor mat out, which is good because it's disgusting. I found a spoon, so that's weird. Got my tools ready, and I'll try to, I gotta use my phone to turn on the light so you guys can see what we're working with here. So that, first of all, I don't know why it's making a weird noise, but that with the sticker on it right there, that's the blower motor. So the first thing that we're gonna do, I don't know if I can set my phone somewhere where I can actually see it. Probably not. Should just have a flashlight. First thing that we're gonna do is unplug this. Ah, got it. Okay. So now we need our 8mm ratcheting wrench because one of these suckers is going to be hard to get to. Oh yeah, come on. I'm already starting to wish I hadn't done this. Oh, come on. Wow, that one's stubborn. Look at that, the wrench just went right down my sleeve. I don't even think it's turning anymore. Well, this is annoying. What do I do with the wrench? What? Huh. I got it. Okay. 2. Last one. So now we need to get that out of there, which he said, the guy that I watched the video on, said that he had to roll back his carpet. So, which mine is underneath this, so that should be good. Okay, so I had to take this little side panel thingy off, whatever that is. Still can't get that sucker out of there. Okay, well, that looks fine. What is that? Hey, look. The carpet's called Ebony. Made March 6th, 2014. This is interesting. What is it even catching on here? I haven't the slightest idea what it's catching on. Wait, I think I got it. I think I might have got it. I got it. Oh my lord. Well, so I'm no expert, but I don't know what that is. But I would say that is why our blower has been loud. But it sounds fine, so I would assume that these pieces are why it's been loud. So we put that back in there. I guess we can see if that's what it was. I'm gonna stick my hand up in that hole though and see if there's anything in there. I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't feel anything, so let's stick that back in and see what it does. Wouldn't that be nice if it wasn't loud anymore? I don't know what usually happens to them. Do they have like a bearing in them or something? I don't know. It seems fine. Somebody who's actually mechanical is probably screaming at me right now, being like, don't put it back in. But I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna spend $100 on a new one. So we're putting it back in. And this is gonna suck. I'm like pretty sure. Maybe not. This is awful. Truly awful. Why did I let you guys talk me into this? think I got it. Oh my gosh, I got it. Wait. Yep, I got it. I think I just left my, wait, I think they're under you guys. Pardon me. I got them. Do not drop it. You gotta see how precariously this is perched. I've got to try to turn that and hold this up at the same time. I think it's working. I think it started. No, it's staying. Yeah, we just gotta get that last one in there. Oh no! Gotta get that last one in there. For that back one, I think I'm gonna have to get a short 8mm socket because I have a deep socket one and it's not working. It's too long, so I'm gonna get a short one. My tools are in the back of the truck. I brought them from work, so I'll be right back. I gotta rest my arm so I can't hold the camera up anymore. Okay, I got it. So first I didn't think I had one for a 3/8 ratchet. I thought I only had one for a 1/4 inch, but I found one. So now we just gotta get those two tightened down and then we can try it. By the way, I gotta show you guys. The only one having a good time today is my dog. Cooper, you having fun? Yeah, hi buddy. Hi. You're so silly. You're so silly. Go get your ball. Go get it. Go get your ball. Good boy. Yes. That's not really yours though, is it? No. The other dog brought it outside and you took it. Yes. Gotta have a sip of coffee. I broke my rule of not having coffee. Today was too stressful. I knew I was gonna need it. By the way, my mom got me this cup. It's got a truck on it, just like the truck I have. It's pretty cool. All right, enough procrastinating. I gotta get that on there. Now all we gotta do, plug this back in. Oh, we gotta put that back on. I forgot about that. Push our carpet back down there. There we go. Well, that was easy. It never works like that. I'm so excited. Let's try it. We don't need to have it on, but I'm gonna turn it on anyway. Oh my gosh. Do you hear that? Exactly, you can't. Oh my word, that's gonna be so nice. It's on high and you can't even hear it. Ah, I'm so proud of myself. We did it, Cooper. Come on. Where you go? Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Now we can put everything back in. There. Move our seat back. Oh, I can't believe it. That is awesome. On second thought, I'm glad you guys made me do that. That is going to be so nice. Every time I turn my heater on, I'm going to be like, I did that. So it is 4 o'clock now. I am back at work. And when I got here, I thought it was weird that they didn't pick up trash. But apparently we got some of the hay that we picked up from who we're getting it from. They must have delivered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 of them. So there's literally bales everywhere now. They're just all over the place. So I think that's why they didn't pick up trash today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different. We're still not doing much because Brent is actually going today for his eye surgery. So we probably won't be doing much for a few days. You guys will be seeing this on Sunday, but it's actually Tuesday right now. So hopefully he'll heal correctly this time and he won't have to go through all of this again. But I'm going to stay out here and enjoy the really nice weather for a couple minutes. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Keep it real, keep farming, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.